Voltaire, in every way that really matters, is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization, or so they thought. Hydra is the by and large next impending overhaul of Cardano for Layer 2 versatility arrangement, which is very huge. Cardano could especially come to the $1 mark constantly 2024. The year 2009 was a fundamental year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business perpetually incredibly. This is essentially on the grounds that the year especially had a place with the crude digital money Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year likewise had a place with the biggest altcoin Ethereum in the chain, which has been persevering with its turns of events, Cardano, in a significant way. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as quite possibly of the most versatile framework on the planet monetary discussion in an unpretentious manner. The organization has been quick advancing to be the primary friend surveyed and faultlessly versatile chain in a significant manner. Voltaire generally is supposed to be the last phase of Cardano network for it to turn into a self-supporting organization, which most certainly is genuinely huge. After this, the organization members will have the entrance of their stake and furthermore in a real sense have casting a ballot rights, which will impact the future improvement of the organization in a sort of significant manner. In the meantime, the worth of the very local symbolic ADA remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted to a great extent in a huge manner. Will ADA cost bounce back in the approaching year? We should check the Cardano value expectation for 2023 to 2025 and the years to arrive incredibly. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain stage, first to be established on peer-surveyed research and created through proof-based strategies by the organization. It really consolidates sort of cutting-edge innovations to give unrivaled security and manageability to decentralized applications, frameworks, and social orders. Cardano cost expectation for 2023 could go from 47 cents to 71 cents for the year. Cardano value forecast 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Hydra is the following impending update of Cardano for Layer 2 adaptability arrangement. It's mostly means to speed up through low inactivity and high throughput, which additionally offers limited exchange costs. It will further develop the organization's security and increment its abilities higher than ever, which is genuinely critical. Hydra fundamentally offers expanded throughput, limited idleness, and cost-effective arrangements. The cost of Cardano has not seen a for the most part sure cost activity following the Hydra declaration, as the value keeps on declining continually. This is said to be a great time for merchants and financial backers, as the cost of this crypto is low and has a kind of high kind of possible before very long incredibly. A consistent slope and noticeable quality is genuinely basic for Cardano, as the outcomes will ultimately, in every way that really matters, consider ADA's cost. In especially such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA cost should essentially reach as kind of high as 71 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. On the disadvantage, assuming that things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 47 cents. Progressively, a balance in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 55 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, assuming the convention executes its open democratic framework, the organization could lose commonly specific dealers, taking a chance with the cost to plunge close 92 cents, or so they thought. In any case, taking into account enhancements and bug avoidance frameworks, the cost may generally cruise in most certainly normal figures close $1.06. In the event that Cardano effectively signals off certain ventures, joint efforts, and new updates in savvy contracts in an unobtrusive way, the ADA cost could strike a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. Cardano value forecast. Guess Cardano keeps on zeroing in on traveling from a creating organization to a created one in an unpretentious manner. All things considered, we will find the convention expanding on its client base with a flood of more current clients, or so they thought. Once more, this could especially help the value forecast of ADA to really raise its bar to 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Be that as it may, assuming that fundamentally bad insights torment ADA's cost projection while the organization is still a work in progress, the bears could quickly jump all over the chance and check the year-end value focus to levels around 47 cents in a significant manner. What is Cardano, in spite of mainstream thinking? The Cardano network generally is likewise the world's very first friend-audited decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local digital currency drives that convention, which in a real sense is very huge. It was made by ex-Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson and was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin has a stock constraint of 45 billion tokens in an unobtrusive manner. Principal investigation: the blockchain is split into two layers, in particular the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer, or so they basically thought. The CSL invigorates the distributed exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros system, and the genuinely shrewd agreement component is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two portions. Despite the fact that Cardano utilizes a POS calculation, it utilizes a complicated form marked Ouroboros POS. Ouroboros, in contrast to regular POS, makes time slots called an age. Every age has a space chief picked by different hubs in the opening. These pioneers complete block creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This diminishes blockage and builds TPS. Authentic Value Opinions 2017 to 2021. Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO. The market capitalization developed to more than $600 million by the 1st of October 2017. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58, or so they thought. In the absolute first month of the year 2018, the altcoin's cost for the most part hit an ATH of $1.16. Be that as it may, falling into a negative snare, the cost descended to 4 cents before the year's over. ADA Cost had initiated the year on a bullish note and figured out how to truly hit $0. The 5th of January 9th, heading on a downtrend. The cost basically slipped to 3 cents on February 6th, yet basically figured out how to hit 10 cents on April 3rd in an unobtrusive manner. After a pullback to 5 cents and redundant endeavors, ADA Cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June, or so they thought. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA Cost really tracked down help at 3 cents in December. Cardano really had started the year at 3 cents and truly rose to 6 cents by mid-February in a significant manner. In any case, amazingly basically tumbled to 2 cents in spring in opposition to mainstream thinking. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end in a significant manner. The exchange for 2020 explicitly was put to an end at 17 cents. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40. The market slump in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48. ADA value sort of hit another ATH of $3.08 in the long stretch of August, which is genuinely huge. Q4 was negative for Cardano as it basically lost more than half in valuation to end the year at $1.10. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2023, in the midst of more up-to-date, higher-performing participants, which is genuinely critical? Cardano for the most part is as yet an optimal speculation, with its strong turns of events and furthermore taking into account the plenty of utilizations ready to go, which is genuinely critical. How in every practical sense high will Cardano go toward the finish of 2023? The cost of ADA could flood to a limit of 71 cents toward the finish of 2023. Is it worth marking really your Cardano? Assuming that you are holding especially your ADA tokens for the kind of long haul, there is no disadvantage to marking every last bit of it. How by and large high might Cardano at any point fundamentally go toward the finish of 2025? As indicated by our Cardano cost expectation, the altcoin's cost could hit a limit of $1.26 toward the finish of 2025. With a likely flood in the value, ADA could accomplish the $5 mark by 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Cardano